Hello and welcome to X1 The Campus. I'm Jake and I'll be showing you around one of our brand new studio apartments located at our popular student development on Frederick Road, Salford. Our new addition to the campus site opens this September, so book quickly to avoid any disappointment. The campus is the perfect base if you're studying at the University of Salford, as it's just a few minutes walk to Frederick Road, Salford University campus. The building couldn't be more perfectly positioned, with great travel links into both Salford and Manchester city centre. Salford Crescent train station is also a short walk away from the building. All of our rooms, including this one, come fully furnished with a double bed and mattress, underbed storage, wardrobe, bedside table with drawers, dining table with 2 chairs, desk with a desk chair, sofa and a wall-mounted TV. The kitchen comes fully integrated with a built-in oven, hob and fridge freezer. The appliances such as the toaster, kettle and microwave are also included. The property also comes with a spacious modern bathroom with walk-in shower, toilet and sink. With all of our apartments at the campus, your electric, water and internet bills are also included in your weekly rent. The building itself benefits from an on-site gym for all tenants to use 24 hours a day. There's also a laundry room which has been recently upgraded, meaning you can check on the status of your wash from the comfort of your own room. There's even a communal courtyard, so when Manchester does receive some sun, there's also an outdoor space for you to enjoy and socialise. For any cyclists, we also have a bike store which you can access 24 hours a day. And for extra building security, X1 The Campus benefits from a secure fob system with a security guard on site 7 days a week from 7 p.m. till 7 a.m. Living in an X1 property means that you will enjoy regular social events organised throughout the year, and during your stay with us, you will have a dedicated tenancy care account manager to answer any queries you may have.